Alright, so this is a quick review of this one here, USB-C imports. This one here has the dual dual ports for MacBook Air 2024. So it must have the dual screen capability. Okay, so with that, that's this one. This is packaging. It comes in. It came in a little box with like a bunch of other stuff too. But this is the one that does have the two ports, the two USB-Cs, and it does come in. My number one complaint about these is that the cord is so freaking short, and then now I can't find a double one extender type thing. So, but this is it. I got one HDMI here, another HDMI there. Something is plugged in right. Oh, that's my Ethernet right there, because I have it directly connected in. That other one actually comes over to another dock of a couple other things. I'm not a fan of this because it does have there's like not really enough ports, but there is a USB-C inbound data port that you can utilize over here. I don't really have anything there that does that as of yet, but everything else is still primarily on these things. So I actually just I got one of these here that's got 4 additional ports. Got my Bluetooth keyboard and everything. And so as you can see, my my MacBook is Air 13-inch is completely closed up, and it is plugged in, and I am plug and play running dual screens. So I do like it. Again, complaint is that this is short. I don't want to have to sit there and manually plug in two different cords every single time, but this one here is great. I didn't want one running to a monitor and then running into here to do something else and stuff. So with this, I actually why I really wanted this is because I just want the one plug. So if I got to take off, I unplug that and I'm good to go, not having to disconnect multiple screens and stuff. But it does work. It is also here set up here for 2 monitors. It's been very, very awesome. It's just a direct plug and play. So I am pretty stoked on this. And like I said, this is it, the S-Global USB-C multi-port. So it does have the 2, and it is actually charging because this is a USB-C import charging, 100 watt. So it's running all the other supplies as well as keeping my computer charged up and everything too. So I'm always good to go. And this here was add-on here as well, and I love this little stand too because you can actually put your phone on there and stuff. But anyways, this is primarily for this one here, and I am loving it.
You can see I had a new MacBook 2023, and this is sort of neat. I do a lot of things. My computer is my job. It's the one help me to pay my bills, everything. So this you can connect in here, easy to use it. Hold up, because I got one hand on it. So you put right here on the side. Okay, right here, and click. Really good. Oh, I put backwards. Sorry. Oh, blind. Okay. See, click. You can see how the light right here. That means it's ready to use. And really clean and perfect. You can put memory card, USB, you can charge phone, anything. I love it. I can't ask for better. This is perfect. Actually, I forgot something. You can put in your pocket, you can put in your purse, whatever. You can travel with this. Already travel with him. I don't have no problem at all. This is perfect.
Alright, so I've got my internet running back here. My Wi-Fi. And if I run an internet test right now, I get some connection. Right? I've got the thing here. It's nothing else is connected. I've got nothing else connected here. I've got my mouse. And in the back I have it plugged in, my power, and another HD for my second screen. Right? So the moment, right, it's still running. The moment I plug my other USB in, right, everything goes black. It takes a second. The third monitor connects, and then nothing. And you can see that it just starts dropping off. And this still isn't connecting or doing anything. So I don't know if it's my computer or if it's the utility, but I have two 1 terabyte things plugged in occasionally and it works fine. But once I plug this in and I try to plug in my other HDMI, it doesn't work. So if I get some help on that, that'd be great.
In case you're like me and you're trying to figure out if this would work on a 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch, it does. As simple as my review is, I'm talking about this. Bear in mind, if you have a case, you may have to alter it. So the case here was keeping it detached fully, and this light was not coming on. So by cutting the bottom of the case, I have tools, so I cut that part right there. There are no vents here, so they didn't need that anyways. So I cut these little notches out, and now it's jamming directly. What I am also going to do to make sure it doesn't detach is here, it has a little gap. I'm going to put a very thin double-sided tape under there. So just bear in mind, you don't have to do that. That's just how I plan to go about it, because I plan on having multiple USB cords coming out of here for the reason that I'm using this laptop, and I need this to stay here permanently. I'm not going to, I don't know why Apple designed the MacBook like that, but this is not about Apple right now.
So this is the Selore multi-port adapter with 2 HDMI ports. I did buy it a couple of years ago, but this is what it's doing. See, it's unplugged right now, and then if I try to plug it in my computer's port, it starts making a wheezing noise. And the adapter ports don't work either. So I've tried plugging in monitors and USB stick and it doesn't work. Now if I pull this out, okay, there, noise is stopped. So this is a bad product. I probably wouldn't buy it again. Actually, I would never buy it again from this company.
This is a piece of crap. It kind of fits. But it also doesn't fit at all. Nothing charges. The light, I saw it flash on for a hot second. Don't buy this piece of shit. Now I know why it was like less than 20 bucks. To the color. This is $3.99. I like it.
All in one.